very busy weekend. I was running from property to property, and I had a showing at one property, and so many people confirmed. It actually turned out to be somewhat of an open house by appointment. Listen, I got a great opportunity today. I had to hit the grocery store real quick because I am hungry, man. But I'll catch you guys back at the house. All right, gotta get the lights on because it's showtime. 2 units. We were there for 2 hours with appointments, one after another. Basically have 2 over here and then 1 in the middle over there. The house has nice ventilation, beautiful natural light. Got 3 bedrooms, which I just checked out, and a nice open floor plan. Living room, dining room, kitchen. Four-car garage. Wow, this is 4 cars. It's not kidding. I mean, we're missing 1, but you can see 1, 2, 3. This will be number 4. All right, guys, it's cold. Let's go back inside. A very good feeling we're going to be getting an offer in the next few days. Very strong offer. This was a great debut to this property. My client was super happy. And
sí, le puedo abrir, está bien. Y de aquí quedan dos cuartos, 1 y 2.
It's dark outside. There were so many people that came to this property. It was really a great experience. I hope you got your taste of it. And don't forget to subscribe. Call me up for an appointment. Otherwise, I'll see you back in the neighborhood.